Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and this is getting absolutely insane. We have 12 fires active around California, 4 in the north, 8 in the south, or should I say we had. Now there's another new fire in Fullerton, and it is a huge brush fire. And these things are spreading like crazy. One university is closed, its campus. Flames and winds are overturning semis. Highway 60 by LA is closed. And this is absolutely nuts. So, Channel 7 in LA is running the video live, a live stream. I'll put the link in this video. I've got to get some sleep. But it seems like every time I turn around to get out of the computer, within half an hour, there's another fire. And I've never seen this in the whole time I came to San Francisco with my parents when I was 12. 1964. I have never seen fires of this magnitude in this state. And I'm 67. So in 53 years, I've never seen it like this, where they're breaking out everywhere. Now, the Getty fire was found to be an accident. They said a branch fell on a transmission wire and started that fire. But I still cannot believe all these are accidents. We're not having any rain in the state. We're not having any lightning storms in the state. Fires don't start themselves, and I'm not the only one that thinks the fires are arson. All right, this is George Senda. I'll keep you advised after my nap. But 8 o'clock fire in Fullerton, and there's a fire around the Calabasas College. That's going on. The Ronald Reagan fire is still going on, and the Getty fire is not contained, and of course the Kincaid fire. It got so big last night. One story said that it could be seen from the Golden Gate Bridge 85 miles away. It's going to be very cold in the hills around the Kincaid fire, and the Sierra, parts of the Sierra will get down to 10 degrees tonight. So try to stay warm and stay safe, people. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great evening, and I will catch you next time, and stay safe. Bye-bye for now.